Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest weather analysis. And this is for today, Wednesday, until Friday, February 28 to March 1, 2024. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands. By the way, the Bank of the Philippine Islands has a program known as Sustainable With You. If you're interested, just check out their website. Just click on the link up here for more details. Also, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. The last time on our video analysis, we mentioned that we have another surge of the Northeast Monsoon, while this kind of monsoon is currently a dry type, okay? Meaning there's lesser rainfall that expected, especially across the eastern sections of the country, becoming more frequent here over eastern sections of Mindanao. And the effects of the Northeast Monsoon will continue within the next couple of days, affecting the eastern sections of Central Luzon, extreme northern Luzon, Metro Manila, Bicol, Mimaropa, Visayas. But these are only winds above 250 kph with some cloudiness. Overall, it's gonna be hot and sunny. But because of these winds from the Northeast Monsoon, it's not quite hot yet, except during noontime or early afternoon. Okay, and the rainfall over the eastern section of Mindanao for the next couple of days is mainly due to the convergence of the Northeast Monsoon and the easterlies right here. So far, no developing low pressure systems or tropical cyclones in sight across the Western Pacific for the next 7 to 14 days. The risk of landslides and flooding will remain low as we are still in the month of February and we are now entering the month of March, wherein we are nearing the start of the hot dry season, so we expect more warmer days ahead. Particularly now, we have a strong El Niño, but for the next couple of months, El Niño will rapidly weaken into neutral or normal climate or normal phase as we move into the hot dry season. And even though the El Niño is starting to weaken, and we are now nearing an end, probably by March or April, we expect the effects to continue until the month of early June. Okay, so the monthly rainfall will remain low, and please conserve water as we deal with this kind of phenomenon. Okay, and for the fast animation, nothing to show to you except for some cloudiness and rain showers across some parts of Mindanao. And over the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, this is the infrared one issued between 7 p.m. to 12 midnight of today, Wednesday, February 28. You can clearly see here some low to mid-level cloudiness generated by the Northeast Monsoon, in spite of some blue skies across the archipelago. And this will persist for the next 2 days. So there's nothing insignificant. So there's nothing significant we are going to show to you here. Now let's take a look at the wind and the pressure forecast from the European model. So far so good. We have the Northeast Monsoon, which is quite dry, continues to affect the extreme northern parts of Luzon, the eastern sections of Central Luzon, Metro Manila, Bicol region, Mimaropa, and Visayas, and also the northern coastal areas of Mindanao and the eastern portions of Mindanao. So Breezy conditions above 250 kph will be expected, particularly over the coastal waters of these affected areas. And this wind system will continue until Friday, but beginning Thursday it will start to weaken, and on Friday we expect the winds to weaken abruptly to calm conditions, except for the eastern sections of Mindanao. There's possibility of easterly wind flow, which could generate some thunderstorms or rain showers over this area. And we have another surge in the Northeast Monsoon, but if you take a look through the weekend, Saturday, March 2 until Sunday, March 3, the Northeast Monsoon will just be a quick one, and it will start to weaken once it reaches extreme northern Luzon. Okay, so it means that we are now nearing the end of the Northeast Monsoon, probably the middle of March. So so far there's still no new surge. It's only concentrated across extreme northern Luzon, including Taiwan. Okay, so that's the wind and pressure forecast. How about the rainfall accumulation forecast? Most of the rainfall for the next 3 days are concentrated across the eastern sections of Mindanao. So eastern sections of Caraga and Davao Oriental, we expect some rain showers and thunderstorms. Also some penetrating over areas of Bukidnon and Davao region. And so far, that's the amount of rain that we are going to expect for the next 3 days, focusing over the eastern sections of Mindanao. And they're lucky enough since we are still on an El Niño event. Okay, and for the wave forecast for the next 3 days, today, Wednesday, until Friday, wave heights of 2.5 up to a little bit more than 3 meters over the eastern coastal waters of Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and Mindanao. So the waves here will continue to be moderate to slightly rough and dangerous to small sea crafts, while over the West Philippine Sea and the inland waters of the Philippine Islands like Sulu Archipelago, Visayan and Sibuyan Sea, also Bohol Sea, will be expecting calm conditions up to 1 meter in wave height. So it's still good for fishing activities, particularly over the West Philippine Sea, including Kalayana Island Group. So far, so good for the next 3 days. So the much larger waves are concentrated here over the eastern sections of our country facing the Philippine Sea. Okay, so that's the latest for this Wednesday, February 28, and we will return for the weekend edition probably by Friday for more analysis on the weather across the Philippine Islands. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua saying good morning to all. Stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.